So here's a much safer way to self-pop your fingers and your knuckles. I know a lot of people like to do the classic smash technique, but that can cause a lot of irritation into the knuckles and the fingers. So give this one a try instead. Make a Vulcan sign with one hand, and we're going to go right above the bottom knuckle of the finger that you're looking to self-pop. Get a good grip in there, and what you're going to do is a slight pull to begin with, and then you're going to do a rocking motion with your hand, just back and forth, just like this. The odds are if that knuckle is locked up, you're going to get a satisfying self-pop, crack, or release. But if you do need to take this one to the next level, just put a little bit of a stronger pull